Hey, so in my videos, those some of them are here on this platform, but all of them are on my YouTube channel. I usually speak about journaling. Journaling. I have been practicing journaling for many, many, many years, and no, I wasn't totally consistent every year or every day or every week, but I have been practicing journaling for many years, and I have books where I wrote different things, my day, my thoughts, my prayers, my uh, my gratitude towards the Lord, many things I documented on those journals. And I keep recommending journaling because I believe that journaling is very important. Journaling can help you dump everything that is in your head. If you can put it on in writing, right? You can get like a book, a 99-cent book from the dollar store or from any other store. It doesn't have to be something fancy, all right? Just find something, and it helps you dump everything that is in your head, everything that is in your mind. You can dump it there, and you can practice journaling. It doesn't have to be pages and pages and pages. It can only be, a few sentences. Or sometimes you don't feel like journaling, but then you start saying exactly that, and you know what's going to happen? You're going to continue, and things are going to come to your mind that you need to write down. And let me tell you, I promise you that if you get into the habit of practicing journaling, you will find that you feel more at peace, you feel more balanced, you feel more harmony, you feel more, you have more clarity. New ideas come to your mind. You let go of negative thoughts. It's very beneficial, and it can help with your anxiety. It can help with your depression. It can help with feelings of when you're feeling overwhelmed, when you're feeling exhausted. Even if you feel like God is not listening to you, if you feel like God is so far away, or like some people, if you feel like you've gone so far away that God cannot do anything else for you, journaling can help you. Because journaling, it's a way of, I see it as a form of prayer, right? Speaking in writing something that God can see, and He can work through that practice to help you get more clarity, to help you be more at peace, and to speak with you. Because sometimes when we're journaling, when we're writing, we have to pause and think. And the Lord can use that moment to fill us with His Spirit, to impress on us His truths and different things, and the Lord can help those moments to really help you, And if you are not in the, you don't feel like writing, let's say, you don't feel like writing. You just feel like maybe you just want to record your thoughts and your ideas and your dreams, your prayers, your petitions. your frustrations, whatever it is, you don't want to write it down, that's okay too. That's all right. So what you can do is you can use an app. There's so many apps out there that help you actually record. Okay? They help you record daily your thoughts. So whatever is in your mind, you can record it, and the app itself can help you transcribe it. So the app that I use, and then this is not a sponsorship or anything like that, I'm just sharing with you because that's what I use. The app that I use is called One Day or Day One. Okay, hold on, let me double check. The name of the app is Day One. The name of the app is Day One, and you can find it on the App Store, Android or Apple. You can find it in both. Of course, in Android, it doesn't have certain capabilities that the app has if you have an iPhone, but like transcribing. If you're using an Android, the app cannot transcribe your voice notes to it. But if you're using the iPhone, you can record and then transcribe as well. And you can also add pictures. Like, for example, when I'm having my devotionals in the morning, I write down my thoughts, right, in a little book that I have. And once I am done with that, I take a picture of that because I like writing, and then I need to practice. That keeps me practicing daily my cursive handwriting, right? So I like to write it because, and it's just more practical to me at that moment when I'm having my time, my quiet time with the Lord. It helps me in that way. So I write it down, and then I take a picture of my notes. Sometimes it's just one page. Sometimes it's more than that. It just depends, right? And I put that up, and I add it to that One Day in the app. Sometimes I take pictures of myself to record how I look or how I was feeling at that moment, right? Because a picture can reflect how you're feeling at the moment. So I would do that, and then I save it. And then you have that. You can go back and look at your notes from previous times, your voice notes, and whatever you want to add to there. The app also has like prompts, like questions that it asks you, right? If you're like blank, you have no idea what to write, the app has questions that it asks you, and you can respond to those questions and then engage in conversation with the app, or journaling, I should say. Yeah, you can also record your prayers if you want to. You don't have to. If you want to, you can record your prayers. You can record your praises. So many things that you can do. So again, I really, truly recommend journaling gratitude, journaling your prayers, journaling your devotions, journaling your praises, journaling your emotions, journaling your thoughts, journaling everything that you can. Just write, and dump everything that is here. Put it on paper or save it electronically. All right. So try it. And if you have tried it before, let us know, like, how has it helped you? Journaling. Have you practiced it? Or are you going to try it? Tell us in the comments below. Bye.